Hi, I'm Swami and I live here in Westminster, and I'm a cycling instructor and father of 3. Before I had the hangar, my bike was stored in a little cupboard, standing upright, and that meant the bike had to be empty, the handlebars folded. It was like laborious work that my partner couldn't do. And it now means that I can, just walk around the corner. There's a safe parking for my bike. My partner can use it. She's not reliant on me to use the bike. And then it means that we can sleep at night without having to worry where's the bike. And also, it's so much more convenient than our previous arrangements. I started talking to my council, Westminster Council, about cycle parking and cargo hangars years and years and years ago. It started with emails with my local councillors and the relevant cabinet members, and conversations with the local cycling campaign, so the Westminster Cycling Campaign and Westminster Healthy Streets, making people aware that this thing exists and there is a need for it, and the conversation started that way. I hope that this will open the doors for more residents in Westminster and elsewhere to take advantage of the fact that cargo and adapted cycles can really transform lives.